Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly Somaileti and you can call me Kelly Loves a Lot. Okay, that was weird. But we are back today with episode 2 of the Makeup 101 series, and today we're going to do the eyebrow tutorial. There's a million out there, but I don't think anyone does it like I do mine, so wait, I'm lying. I'm just doing the basic shit that you'll be seeing on the internet. So without further ado, let me just stop wasting your time and just jump right into how I do my eyebrows, and hopefully it will help you guys. Yeah. We're close. You guys can see into my soul, so let's not waste any time. I will just now show you guys all the things that I'll be using. I have an eyebrow pencil, I have a spoolie, I have a concealer brush, I have this little brush that helps you sometimes to like blend in the eyebrow pencil. I have a concealer that is close to my skin shade for the top of my eyebrow, and I have the Essence concealer that is lighter for my under eyes. I'm burping. I was drinking pine nut. And I have this Essence Make Me Brow Gel in brown. Right? Okay, now step number one. You're gonna brush your eyebrow hairs up. You're gonna brush your eyebrow hairs up like this. And then you're gonna take the pencil and then you're gonna draw a line underneath your eyebrow, just right under the eyebrow hairs. Don't go lower than where your eyebrows start to underneath. Taking the shape of your eyebrow. I am not one for changing eyebrow shape, but something I want to try in the future. Also guys, remember that your eyebrows are not twins. They will never be twins. Well, I know mine will never be twins either way. So you draw that line underneath, and then you're gonna draw a line above as well. Close to your eyebrow hairs, taking the shape of your brow. I don't trim my eyebrow hairs that much, but I suggest that if you have like hairs that are outside the brow line, just pluck them out with a tweezer. And then you're gonna take the spoolie and you're gonna brush up like this to blend the eyebrow pencil into the brows. Brush down the top part into the eyebrow. Should I reduce light? Yeah. We're in lockdown again.
Oh Lord. Again.
And this time they didn't even give us due time to prepare for it. We just told midnight announcing it. 9 p.m. saying midnight is lockdown, guys. Terrible. My parents are so upset. Well, people are upset because they couldn't go buy certain things to help them get through the lockdown. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna do that off camera, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see, I like using a light hand to fill in the brows, to do the brow line and all that. So because I like for I want these little brow hairs to show, my natural brow hairs to show. So that's why I don't use a super dark pencil, and I don't really press it into my skin so hard to make it dark. I like light brows. So that is done. Next step is to carve the eyebrow. We're carving the brow. We're gonna carve the brow with the concealer and an angled brush. And you're gonna hold the angled side to the beginning of the brow, and you're gonna start carving. Then you're gonna drag the concealer, like kind of like blend it down into your eyes like this. We're gonna make a small unibrow with concealer just. To get the brows to look similar. Gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're carved out the underneath part. Now to go to the top, we're gonna use a different color concealer we're getting to the top part, so you're gonna make your brush flat. Put your brush in a flat way like this, and then you're gonna like as close as you can to the brows, to the line you want, to the thickness you want. You're gonna like carve the brow out. I don't know how to explain this. Slowly. Am I out of focus? Slowly. 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 Yeah. And then you can go back in. Check if you're satisfied with the shape. Alright, now to do the same thing on the other side. Just the finishing touches finishing touches to like try and make sure the brows are at least close to the size that I want them to be. So you can see I made a unibrow with the concealer, right? I made a unibrow with the concealer. So just you guys get these, I have these little cuticle buds or whatever they're called, and I use both tips basically. I use both tips, and I'm going to use this tip to like try and like blend out this, kind of like blending but wiping the concealer at the same time. Final touch, you're gonna take the brow brush, the brow gel that I showed you, the Essence Make Me Brow in brown, and you're just gonna brush up the hairs. You're gonna brush up the hairs again. Was today I have a good day, bro day? Was, you know, that thing that happens when you're doing something without people watching, and then it goes well, and then when you're doing it with people watching, it just goes another whole way. It's me and my bros. It's me and my bros. But we're done. That is it. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I did my eyebrows. This is what they look like. This is what we're looking like. This is what we're looking like. They are not twins. They are sisters. Maybe even cousins. But yeah, these are my eyebrows. I just follow the natural shape of my eyebrow. If you don't like your natural shape of your eyebrow, just like, I don't know, tweeze your eyebrows and create a new shape for yourself. But I encourage people to follow the shape of their eyebrows, because otherwise sometimes you end up looking crazy with a weird shape of your eyebrows when it doesn't fit your face, right? God gave you your eyebrows for a reason, so follow that shape. Talking cock. All right, guys. Okay, that's the end of this video. Let me know if you found it helpful. Remember that practice is key to this makeup thing. If you want to get perfect eyebrows, just keep practicing every single day, or as much as you can. If you don't have time every single day, just keep keep practicing, and you will eventually get there. Patience is the virtue as well to makeup, so be patient with yourself. Don't give up if it's not turning out the way you want it to. Just be patient. And yeah, this is it. I hope you found this helpful. Remember to keep calm and laugh a lot. Remember to subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, so you can see more of my cute face, right? I'm cute. Alright, leave a comment down below of what you think of this video, or whatever you want to tell me. Leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.